Hey everyone, happy Friday. So you are going to be taking your end of the week quiz. This one's going to be 5 questions again. You're allowed to use your notes. If you are in the hybrid model, the ones that look like this that we did in class, I think on Monday or Tuesday, will be extremely helpful. If you are a distance learner, the notes that you took on Tuesday, I believe both those ancient civilizations will also help you. This is not on lock mode, so if you typed up your notes instead of like writing them down, you can still flip back and forth between two different tabs to look up that information. Make sure you use your notes. You will only be able to submit this quiz once, so double check your answers, triple check your answers, so that way you get a good score to help boost your grade, especially because we only have 41 more days till the end of the term. All right, and then after that, you're going to go ahead and listen or read a news story from All Things Considered, link below. Remember, when you click on that, it's going to take you to a web page that looks something like this. You can scroll and listen to any one of those news stories that you would like. This one's just taking a little bit to load, but like, let's say I wanted to listen to this one. I go ahead and just click this listen button. If I'd rather read it, go ahead and click this little circle with lines button, and that'll take you to the transcript, which would be like reading the actual article. All right. And then you're going to use that news story to help you fill out the news reflection for today. I got a little bit of feedback from students that said that the Google form made it a little bit hard to keep track of whether or not they turned in that news reflection. It was also kind of hard for me to grade when it was on a Google form, so we just changed it to a Google Doc. So you're just going to use the Google Doc, and it's going to be pretty much the same thing as the Google Forms you've been doing for your news reflections. So you'll put your title, your source, which will just be NPR, and then writing your reflection about the story that you chose. Make sure that your reflection is clear, includes specific details, and includes how you feel about the story or how it affects your life or the lives of others. Make sure you're not just like telling me the facts of the story. Don't just regurgitate the information, because anybody could go ahead and just listen to that story. What I'm more interested in is like your perspective or your opinion or your insight on the story. Feel free to insert your opinion. That's absolutely fine. All right, and I think that is pretty much it. Oh, here's a special deal for you guys. Because we're all getting used to this whole distance learning thing, if you go to campus, check your grade on campus, and notice that you're missing a news reflection assignment from either this last Friday or the first Friday, you can go ahead and choose another story and write another reflection for full points without that missing work reduction, late work penalty applied. Okay, so if you're missing a news reflection, go ahead and fill out another news reflection, and you'll get full points for that. I think that is pretty much it. Have a great weekend, guys.